Have you ever dreamed of making money while you sleep? It's a fantasy that almost everyone has at some point. The idea that your bank account could grow, even while you're resting, traveling, or spending time with loved ones. For many, this dream feels out of reach, but what if it was actually possible? Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing you earned money overnight. No alarm clock, no rush hour traffic, just a notification that your efforts are paying off. It's a feeling of freedom and possibility that can change your entire outlook on life. This is possible with affiliate marketing, a business that works for you 24/7, even when you're not actively working. Your website or social media posts keep working in the background, connecting people with products and generating income around the clock. You share things you love, help people solve problems, and earn income in return. Whether it's recommending your favorite gadgets, books, or online courses, you're simply connecting people with solutions that make their lives better. Affiliate marketing is simple. You don't need to create products, ship boxes, or handle customer complaints. There's no inventory to manage, no warehouses to rent, and no complicated logistics to worry about. Your main job is to connect people with products or services that benefit them. You become the bridge between a customer's need and the perfect solution, and you get rewarded for making that connection. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and a willingness to learn. You can start from anywhere, whether you're at home, in a coffee shop, or traveling the world. We'll break down the process step by step, from picking a topic you love to sharing your first affiliate link. You'll see how simple actions can add up to real results over time. Think of me as your guide on this journey. I'll be here to explain each step, answer your questions, and help you avoid common mistakes. The beauty of affiliate marketing is its flexibility. You can work from anywhere and build a business around your life. Whether you want a side hustle or a full-time income, you set the pace and the goals. You don't need to be a tech expert or marketing genius to start. Anyone can learn the basics and grow from there, no matter your background or experience. By the end of this guide, you'll know what affiliate marketing is, how it works, and how to begin. You'll have a clear roadmap to follow, and the confidence to take action. Every expert was once a beginner. The most important step is the first one. Remember, progress comes from action, not just ideas. Let this be your first step toward building an online income stream. The journey may seem daunting, but every big success starts with a single, small action. The dream of earning while you sleep is closer than you think. With the right guidance and a willingness to learn, you can turn that dream into reality. Let's get started on this adventure together. I'll be with you every step of the way, cheering you on as you build your own path to passive income. Your journey to passive income starts now. The first step is yours to take. Let's begin. What exactly is affiliate marketing? It's a popular way for people to earn money online by connecting customers with products or services they might love. But how does it really work, and why has it become such a buzzword in the digital world? Think of it as recommending a great restaurant to a friend. If they go and mention you, you get a thank you. Affiliate marketing works on the same principle, but instead of a thank you, you get paid a commission for your recommendation. Online, you recommend products or services using a special link, often called an affiliate link. This link tracks who sent the customer so the company knows who to reward. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. It's a simple process that can add up to real income over time, especially as your audience grows. For example, if you love Kindle e-readers and write a review on your blog, you can include your unique Amazon affiliate link. Readers who trust your opinion may click and buy based on your recommendation. If a reader clicks and buys, Amazon pays you a percentage. This can happen with almost any product or service, from books to software to travel bookings. You didn't make or ship the product, you just recommended it. There's no need to worry about inventory, shipping, or returns. There are three main players: the merchant, like Amazon, the affiliate, you, and the customer. Each plays a unique role in the process. Everyone wins. The merchant gets a sale, the customer finds a solution, and you earn a commission for connecting the two. It's a win-win-win situation. You don't have to create products, manage inventory, or handle customer service. This makes affiliate marketing accessible to almost anyone with an internet connection. Your focus is being a trusted source of information. The more helpful and honest you are, the more your audience will value your recommendations. Affiliate marketing lets you help people make good buying decisions. You become a guide, helping others navigate the overwhelming world of online shopping. It's a simple, low-risk way to start earning online. You can work from anywhere. Set your own hours and scale your efforts as you grow. All you need is honesty and a desire to help. Building trust with your audience is the foundation of long-term success in affiliate marketing. The more value you provide, the more you can earn. Focus on genuinely helping people, and the rewards will follow. That's the core of affiliate marketing, a modern way to earn by helping others make smart choices. Before you recommend anything to others, it's important to take a step back and think about what truly excites you. Choosing the right niche is the foundation of your journey. You need to pick your niche, a specific area of interest that you're genuinely passionate about and willing to explore deeply. It could be anything: dog training, guitar lessons, vegan cooking, gardening, or even something more unique like urban beekeeping or digital art tutorials. The right niche makes your work feel like a paid hobby, turning your daily efforts into something you look forward to. Start by listing your passions and skills. Think about what you enjoy doing in your free time, and what you're naturally good at. What topics do you love talking about with friends or family, even when you're not working? What do people often come to you for advice on? Or what do they say you're knowledgeable about? When you're passionate, your content naturally becomes more authentic, engaging, and trustworthy, which helps you connect with your audience. But passion alone isn't enough. Make sure people actually spend money in your chosen area. Search for products, check if there's an active market, and see what's trending. Don't go too broad or you'll get lost in the crowd. For example, instead of just sports, try narrowing it down to training for your first marathon, or yoga for beginners. A specific niche helps you stand out and become the go-to expert for a focused audience who truly values your insights. The more targeted your topic, the easier it is to build trust, create loyal followers, and foster a real sense of community. People are much more likely to listen to your advice, trust your recommendations, and click your affiliate links when they see you as an expert in a specific area. So, choose a niche you love, one that excites you and also interests others. This is the first step to building a successful and enjoyable affiliate business. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to find affiliate programs. Affiliate programs are run by companies. Affiliate networks connect you with many companies at once. Beginners often start with networks like ClickBank, ShareASale, or CJ Affiliate. These platforms offer products in almost every niche. Signing up is usually free. Just fill out an application and explain your niche and content plans. Some programs approve you instantly, others take a few days. If you're rejected, improve your site and try again. You can also find individual programs by searching your niche plus affiliate program on Google. Many companies, especially in software and online education, run their own programs with higher commissions. Always read the terms before joining. Choose programs that fit your audience and offer products you believe in. After approval, you'll get your most important tool, your affiliate links. These unique URLs track who sent the customer, so you get credit for sales. Get your links from your affiliate dashboard. Just copy and paste them into your content. Always use the exact link provided. Don't alter it unless the program allows. When someone clicks your link, a cookie tracks their visit for a set time. If they buy within that window, you earn a commission. This means you can get credit, even if they don't buy right away. Be transparent. Always disclose that you may earn a commission if people buy through your links. Add a simple statement to your blog or video descriptions. Honesty builds trust, and trust is your most valuable asset. Use your links naturally within helpful content. Never spam. Focus on value. The right use of affiliate links is key to your success. Track your links to see what works best. The heart of affiliate marketing is creating valuable content, not spamming links. Your goal is to help, educate, or entertain your audience. When you genuinely help people, they trust your recommendations. Helpful content can be product reviews, how-to guides, or tutorials. Buy and use the products you recommend and share honest experiences, both good and bad. Use your own photos or videos to build credibility. Explain who the product is for and who it isn't. How-to guides are powerful. Teach your audience something useful and naturally include affiliate links for the tools you mention. Focus on benefits, not just features. Show how a product improves someone's life. People buy solutions, not specs. Frame your recommendations around solving problems or achieving goals. When your content is genuinely helpful, people see you as a resource, not an ad. That's how you build a loyal audience. Value always comes first. Great content is only useful if people see it. You need traffic. Start with 1 or 2 traffic methods and master them. Search engine optimization, SEO, helps your content show up in Google searches. Use relevant keywords in your titles and posts. SEO takes time but brings steady, free visitors. Social media can bring faster results. Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook are great for sharing your content. Create eye-catching visuals or short videos to attract attention. Join niche Facebook groups and share your expertise, not just your links. Build an email list by offering something free like a checklist or ebook. Email lets you connect directly with your audience and share tips and recommendations. Loyal fans often come from your email list. Focus on being helpful, not spammy. Consistent, targeted traffic is the key to affiliate success. Here's the exciting part: getting paid. When someone buys through your link, a commission is recorded in your dashboard. You can track clicks, sales, and earnings in real time. Commissions are usually a percentage of the sale, but some programs offer flat rates or recurring payments for subscriptions. There's often a waiting period before payout to account for refunds. Once you reach the payment threshold, like $50 or $100, you get paid. Payment methods include direct deposit, PayPal, or sometimes a mailed check. Set up your payment preferences when you join a program. Watch your stats to see what's working. The more value you provide, the more you can earn. As you start your affiliate journey, here are some honest tips for long-term success. Build trust above all. Your reputation is everything. Be honest in your reviews, share pros and cons, and always disclose affiliate relationships. Only promote products you truly believe in. Focus on one niche, one content platform, and one traffic strategy at first. Master one thing before expanding to others. Track your results. Use your dashboard and tools like Google Analytics to see what's working. Let data guide your next steps. Be patient. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time to build momentum and see results. Stay consistent with helpful content and promotion. Celebrate small wins along the way. Serve your audience with passion and patience. The income will follow. Pick your niche, join a program, create value, and stay consistent. You can do this. Your journey to passive income starts today.